everyone, I am Siti Waketusada from B class. Here I want to explain about table manners European models. So I will start from the definition. Table manner is the rules used while eating, which may also include the use of utensils. In this time, I will explain about the etiquettes by European models. And the basic rules contained in every eating ethic, such as the first is eat with your mouth closed when chewing food. The second, speak at low volume. And the third, cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. And the fourth is don't lean your back against the back of the chair. And the fifth is don't make a sound when chewing food. The sixth, don't play with food with cutlery. And the seventh, don't taunt or tell someone that they have bad eating etiquette. And the eighth is don't cross your arms at the dining table. And the ninth, always ask the owner of the event when leaving the dining table. And then, don't look other people in the eye while they are eating. And the next is don't talk on the phone at dining table. Ask permission when you absolutely need to answer the phone and apologize when you get back. And then, don't make a sound when eating soup. And then, place the fork on the left and the fork on the right together at 5 o'clock on the plate, with the sharp side of the knife facing inward. This indicates that you have finished eating. And then, the racks provided on the table should not be used. And then, don't use your hands when taking food left in the mouth. Use a toothpick. And the last is try to get all the food that is provided. And some general ethics that must be followed are: the first is if the waiter doesn't give you a seat, sit down and pull up the stool with both hands. The next is open the napkin or napkin naturally put it on your lap. And the last is if you are ready to order a menu, see the menu list fairly, not too long. Immediately point to the menu that you choose. After that, usually the waiter will invite you to taste the appetizer or appetizer menu.
Hello guys, my name is Narana Putri. Now today I would like to give you explanation about the example menus in formal meeting on European style.
Formal meeting formed in European model. First, appetizer. Before the appetizer is served, usually bread is provided on the table as a snack. You can eat this bread by hand. The appetizer usually consists of two kinds, hot appetizer and cold appetizer. The hot appetizer is usually soup. How the etiquette to eat it? Stir the soup slowly, don't put it in your hands and keep it on the table. Never blow on soup. Use the soup spoon provided, usually it be smaller. And then cold appetizer can be a salad. The etiquette are take a fork in your left hand and a knife in your right hand. Again, choose the cutlery provided, usually smaller than the main dish cutlery. Don't hesitate to wipe your mouth when there is food left in there. Don't wipe with one hand. And then main course. The main course is often meat, steak, or seafood. In European method, usually cut directly with a knife in the right hand, then eat with a fork in the left hand. And then the last one is dessert. Satisfied with eating the main course, it's time for you to enjoy dessert. Dessert is generally in the form of cold food or drinks such as cocktails, ice cream, or juice. Don't eat dessert right after you finish the main meal. Give yourself time for your stomach. After you have had enough and the dessert is ready, you can eat it. If your pentap dish is a drink that has a decoration on it, eat the garnish or set it aside first. Just drink the contents. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Francisca Putrayastiti. Now I want to explain about table setting. How to set a European table setting. Firstly, place the themes tablecloths on the dining room table. Coordinate your choice of tablecloths with the design of the crockery and the center of the table to make sure they complement each other. Identify the location of each location by placing service plates. And then remember that food should never touch these dishes. Rather, they serve as the basis for every meal dish and are not removed or exchanged. Allow each guest to have a space of 25 inches or 2 feet. Place the plates directly over the serving dish, folding the plates in two if you plan to serve more than one main course. Place the cloth napkin on the plates. Fold them in a simple triangle or a square shape to front the impression that they have not been manipulated. Place the napkin immediately to the right of the serving plates on a napkin rings if the first plate is already served when the guests are seated. Never require guests to move plates and food to retrieve their napkins. Placing the napkin in the glass of water or on the platter is a French custom and serves as an interesting variation if space is limited. Place the glasses above and to the right of the plate, reflecting each drink and types of wine served. Place the glass of water closer to the plate, followed by the glass of red wine and finally the glass of white wine. Put together the champagne glasses or dessert wine glass. If applicable, placing them at the small distance beyond the other glasses. Place the knife to the right of the serving plates. The blades rotate with the serrated edge toward the plates and the cooking spoon out of the knife with the concave side facing upward. Place the deep and round soup spoon on the outside of the spoon when the soup is in the menu. Then, place the fork on the left side of the service plates in the other they will be used. For example, include the Caesar salad between the larger fork and the serving plates if you plan to serve salad or appetizer after the main dinner dish. After that, place a small dessert fork on the serving plates. Drive to the left. Place a dessert spoon directly in front of the dessert fork when applicable. Place a fruit fork immediately below the dessert fork. Drive to the left and accompanied by a fruit knife in front of the teeth of the dessert fork with the handle of the right. And then reserve space for a plate of bread in the upper left part of the serving dish and place a butter knife horizontally on top of the bread plates, with the blades facing left with the serrated edge facing down. After that, prepare a coffee or tea service, complete with saucer and mixing spoon placed on the top and right side of the cup handle, on the right side of the serving dish but under the glasses to indicate your guests that a hot drink will be served. The European food label requires the use of cutlery from the outside in. Consider this rule when planning the course order. Keep a distance of 2 inches from the edge of the table for seat adjustment. Thank you.